When it comes to My Hero Academia, the pro hero overseeing the world tried to stay squeaky clean. But it seems there are seedy parts of the community which can never be covered up. Guys like Endeavor have shared their dark secrets over the years, and Bakugo has tried to slowly overhaul his image since the day one. And thanks to the new update, fans have learned something about Hawk's past that have shaken them to the core. Recently, My Hero Academia put out a new chapter, and it was their fans learned more about Dabi's broadcast to the world. The intrusive message that shattered the previous vision society had of heroes. Dabi's startling revelation about his true identity has made everyone side-eye the Todoroki clan, and the boy has done the same for Hawk. After all, Dabi just revealed the real reason. So little is known about the number 2 hero. Hawks has been kept out of the sight with a fake identity after his father was captured for robbery and murder. It's really no wonder since his own father was a serial robber and murderer, basically a villain, which is exactly why Hawk's background and real name were kept secret. And this is what Dabi explained in the newest chapter of My Hero Academia. It was Endeavor who captured his father actually. Maybe it was a connection and some twist of fate that brought these men together. It couldn't let that stand. As it turned out, Hawks has the dark history that is certainly less than savory. The boy's father was a career criminal who did not mind stealing or killing people. In fact, it took Endeavor to take the Hawks' fathers down, and fans were apparently reunited with the villain in the previous arc. After all signs point to Dabi's orchestrating the man's jailbreak so he could confront Endeavor. And Hawk's father took Natsu hostage before the number 1 hero handled the situation. Clearly, Hawks has it rough, but Dabi might be able to sympathize with Hero because of their past abuse. However, the two have taken the different path, and Dabi is keen on taking all the trust away from pro heroes. And as it stands right now, his mission is succeeding with ease. So this was the history about Hawk's father, which we learned in the newest chapter of the My Hero Academia manga. After fans have learned something about this, they are shaken to their core, and now because of this reason is revealed, so many things already make sense now. If you don't read the My Hero Academia manga, I would recommend you guys to read it because it's pretty enjoyable and it's really good. And if you are watching the anime of My Hero Academia, it will take a lot of time to reach at this point where we are in the manga. So it is going to take a lot of time. There are so many things which are going to happen between the manga and the anime where it is right now. So I would 100% recommend you guys to read the My Hero Academia manga. What do you think about this revelation, and did you see it coming or not? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, like this video, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.